and ladders.
Snacks and ladders because we're doing snacks for moms to make for their kids to take to school. Right, Daria?
Yeah.
So today we're going to do something fun called cinnamon French toast.
Cinnamon French toast bites.
Do you know how to make cinnamon French toast?
No.
I will teach you.
And the ingredients are eggs, cinnamon powder, brown sugar, bread, pinch of salt, butter, milk, honey.
So what we're going to first do is we're going to mix in all the ingredients in one bowl. All right, are you ready to break some eggs?
Yes.
All right, let's break an egg. Here we go. Tap. Okay, now break. All right, let's try not to drop these into the bowl. And now I'll break the second one, okay? See? You break it like this. And you hold on to the shells. Now that we've broken the egg, let's whisk the egg a little bit.
Okay, Mama.
Okay. Okay, that's enough, Daria. We'll put this on the side. And now what we'll do is we'll add a little bit of cinnamon, okay?
Okay, Mama, I'll do it.
Here. Okay, Daria, now next we will put in
Brown sugar.
brown sugar. Can you add the brown sugar? Okay, Daria, now let's put in 3 spoons of butter.
Okay.
Here. Okay, and we need to put in 1/4 cup of milk, and since this is heavy, I'll do it. Okay, Daria, whisk. Slowly, don't let the milk fall on you. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, go around. Okay, Daria, now I'm gonna add in a pinch of salt. Okay, Daria, now I'm gonna whisk a little harder, okay? You whisk with this and I'll use a fork. Alright, Daria, now that we're done whisking, let's stop. Put this bowl aside. Okay, Mama's gonna do this part because I have to cut up the bread into cubes, okay? So I'm gonna cut this bread.
That's not how cubes are.
Wait.
That's even not.
So we're gonna lay it down like this. See, now they're cubes. So once we have them in cubes, we can go ahead and dip them. Right, Daria?
In what?
In the egg mixture. And
Oh.
then we're gonna fry it up.
Oh, yummy.
Yeah. Okay, Daria, now we have all the bread in cubes.
Okay.
We're gonna go and take this to the kitchen and we're gonna dip the cubes into the egg mixture and we're going to fry them up.
Oh, okay, Mama.
Alright, let's go do that. It, we have to do the base for it. So I want you to put some brown sugar right at the corner.
Okay, Papa. I'll put the brown sugar right in the corner.
Okay, Daria, and then we need to just take a very small amount of cinnamon powder and mix it in the brown sugar.
Okay.
I'm I'm gonna mix this,
Okay.
the cinnamon powder with the brown sugar together.
So it'll be so yummy.
Yes, and you know what we're gonna do?
What?
We're gonna take the French toast bites and we're going to roll them in. Rolling them in sugar. Yay, sugar fun. Okay, Daria, you do some. Yes, roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it. Yes, correct. There you go.
Sugar fun.
Sugar fun. Here, I'll do a few, you do a few. Let's roll them. And when we have enough, we're gonna put them in a nice, tall
Pies.
nice tall cone. Okay, Daria, now I got this fun little cone for us to put these cinnamon bites in.
Okay.
Here, I'll bring it down here so you can. So that's it, Daria. Now let's drizzle some honey.
Okay.
Okay. Here, hold the honey. Drizzle. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Spread it all over. That's it, that's it, that's it. Enough. Daria, what was the best part of making this?
Rolling it in sugar.
Rolling it in sugar. Okay, I want you to try it now. Here, do you want to use a fork so your hands don't... Okay.
I like it, Mama.
Oh, good. Okay, so this is a nice afternoon snack for you to make at home when your child comes home from school really famished because it's got eggs in it and it is a bit heavy with the butter and the milk. It serves as a great afternoon snack and you can actually just eat it on the go, even if you just put it in a little container and you're in a hurry and you've just made them fresh. They'll taste amazing, or you just want to sit down with your family and just share little pieces of bites with like honey drizzled on it, or if you don't like honey, you can even replace it with chocolate drizzle. It tastes amazing. Alright, Daria, now that we're eating our French toast bites, we have to say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye! Hope you enjoy these French toasts when you make them. Please
Bye.
subscribe.
Please subscribe.